Look at that. Front bumper is done. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, wait. The rest of the car is not done. We're going to have a talk about that. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So as you can see, the car is not done being wrapped. And it's not going to be done being wrapped this color. And I'm going to show you why. Right now we have two examples of wrap. The Vivid wrap and the cheap eBay stuff that I bought. And here's the issue. You see that right there? Watch this. You see how easily that just ripped? That's the issue I've been having with this Vivid vinyl wrap. Yes, I know, not good. Well, here's the thing too. So I literally had all this whole rear quarter panel and all of this done, but there was a tear right here. Not sure how it tore or anything like that, but it tore really easily, so I ripped it all off, did it again. Then it didn't want to sit and then randomly tore again. Then I did it a third time, 3 times, and it ripped right back there, and I was done. I was like, I don't like this paper. I'm not going to use it. So what does that mean? Sorry guys, the battery died. But what that means is we are going to wrap the car, but obviously a different color, because with a different brand, probably Avery or 3M, because that was just ridiculous. I did not expect that. I expected some issues, but not like that. So we are going to go with a different brand. Hopefully that different brand, the paper's a little bit thick. I keep calling it paper. The vinyl's a little bit thicker, but again, like this is the Vivid. That's the 7M or whatever, and like that shit is hard to tear. I can't tear this. This Vivid though, Vivid, watch. Yeah, I put it up here. Don't know why. Vivid though, watch this. See how easy that was? That's ridiculous. I did not expect that. So I'm sure you guys are wondering what color are you gonna do. Not sure yet. I have to take a look on what's out there, and then when I get it, I'm gonna show you guys. That'll be the reveal. Then we're gonna rewrap everything. Yes, the front bumper, the fenders, everything. I did get some. What the hell was that? I did get some good news this past week. Somebody else who followed one of you guys came to my house because you know, one of my friends wanted me to listen to his car real quick because it didn't sound right, and he got in his car wrapped. And I have to say, after taking a look at it from a professional shop, I'm doing a lot better than what they did, that's for sure. So I think we'll do a compare video once I'm done wrapping this. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what you guys think as far as what I showed you with the Vivid vinyl. I'm never using them again. I just didn't like it. That's just ridiculous. And we are going to, next video, you're going to get 2 videos this week. We are going to work on the block. The head's right over there. That's going to go on. And then we'll continue with that build. And then once I get the new vinyl, we'll wrap the car. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this video, what you guys think about this vinyl. If you guys have any suggestions as far as wrap is concerned, or a brand, let me know. Gotta look like The Rock when I wear this hat because my eyebrow stays up here. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Go back, watch the videos. There's like 280 something. And then, yeah. So until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't buy Vivid vinyl. I'm sorry, I just don't like it. That's just horrible. And some of you guys said don't use them, and I did. I'm just an optimist, but I won't be using them anymore. So anyway, until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.